Hi everyone, this is Una, and today in my video I'm going to show you a little bit about how to change and adjust things in objects and how to create objects. So yeah, I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and click that notifications bell. Alright, let's get on with the video. So first, I am going to show you guys a little bit about how to go into your inventory and find things there. So first, I'm going a waterfall right now because I'm going to make a waterfall and show you guys how to change the colors and textures in it. So I know that the waterfall that I have is named Waterfall, so if you know the name of it, just type it in here. And so I'm going to type it in, and waterfall, there it is. Alright, so you just click it and then drag it and then drop it where you want it. And then sometimes it doesn't go exactly where you want it, so you just exit out of that and then edit it. And then you go down with the blue button and then to the side. So I want it in the corner more, so I'm just gonna move it a bit that way. And then also, if you want it to be smaller, you just click Control Shift, and then these little white buttons will make it bigger and smaller. So I'm gonna make it like that big. So to see it better, also you guys can just click Alt and then use your arrows to go in and out. It helps me a lot. Zoom out a little. So now I'm going to change the colors and textures of a few of these little mini waterfalls. So first I'm going to right click and then I'm going to click Edit. And then there are all of these tabs for General, Object, Features, Texture, and Content. So you're going to click Texture and then select Face. So you can click one face and then change the color of that. So I'm going to click Texture and then I'm going to go to Open Some Library, which is what they already have all the textures there for you. You can always download pictures and then bring them on, which I eventually will do. So I'm going to bring this one over and then I'm just going to pick a random one. So just have fun with this. Click whatever you like. And then, yeah, so I'm just going to click Water 1. That's cool. And then also, guys, if it's too dark for you, like this is midnight right now, just click World and sun position, and then click Midday, and then that's the brightest there is. So yeah, and now you can change a bunch of these. So after you're done with that, just click on another one and then go to Texture and then go to Open Some Library, Texture Library, and then just click whatever you want. So yeah, that's a fun little thing. And then also if you want it just a certain color, you can just go to Color and then you can click whatever color you want. Pretty colors, there's some cool colors that you can click, and then it will be like that. To change the texture though, you have to go onto here and then change the texture, so you can go to Tile and then make it like that or whatever. So yeah, alright, now I'm going to show you guys a little bit about how to copy items that you want, but you can only copy something when people will let you copy. So if you make something, if you create something, then if you want other people to copy it and use it in their places or islands, then you will just click a button that will let anybody copy it, but it won't let them adjust that. So you just copy it and then go to More and then take copy, and then always remember the name, so write it down later. But to find that out is go to Edit, and then I'm not allowed to do any of this, so just go to General, and then cobblestone long wavy path is the name. So then you would just X out of this, and then to get it again, you would just go somewhere that you want to put it. So I'm going to go like this, and then go in your inventory, because whatever you copy will be in your inventory. So right here it is, but if you don't remember the name and you don't know that it's in objects or whatever, just go to recent and then go to objects, and it will be right there. So you just drag it, put it there. Sometimes it doesn't go exactly where you want it, so then you would just edit it, and then yeah. And then also my waterfall over here, you can walk through it. So I'll show you. It's phantom. And to fix that, it's really simple. All you have to do is right click on it again and then go to edit. Here, see, you can go through it. So I'm going to get out, and then I'm just going to back up really quick. Then I'm going to edit it, and then I'm going to go to object, and then temporary means that it will be hard, but it won't be there the whole time. So it will disappear in like a day or so. If you want it to be like that, you could totally do temporary, but I don't want that to happen, so I'm going to go to physical. And then also, if you lock it, you won't be able to move it or change whatever about it. So if you can't do it and you're like, ugh, I can't like do this or anything, then just remember, oh yeah, I have to unlock it. So I'm going to lock it right now so I don't unaccidentally do it, but sometimes I even forget. Yeah, alright, well thank you guys so much for watching my video. I hope you learned some simple things just for virtual reality. Alright, thank you so much for watching.